understanding the laws of physics can help us handle our psychology better. It can help us with self-knowledge. So one of the laws is energy cannot be destroyed. So we know that, like water will be ice or steam, but you can't extinguish it. It just changes form. So the same with us psychologically. If we have complexes, they can be worked with so that they transform into a beneficent form, something to help us. We can't extinguish them. We can transform them. It's like the energy in the negative complex has to go somewhere, and it can turn into something beneficent within us that helps us. I'm going to give you an example. A dear client had a bad dream about being chased by a negative male figure. And this is not uncommon. She contacted me, said that she was shaking with fear after the dream. Now, I know that the energy that's involved in this complex of hers could not just be killed. It has to be transformed. So, and this transformation could include a killing of this figure, but it can also include something, which is what I recommended, that she go back into the dream, lie down, pretend she's in the dream, and face it. So in this, she got out of the car and she faced it. She faced this man. Now, as she did this, she felt this huge strength coming up, and she felt incredibly positive. So that is one thing we can do. Another thing to transform our own psychology is, after a dream like that, you can lie down on your bed and just pretend to be the negative male and feel what he feels like and how your body feels and what he would say, what he believes, what he wants to do, what kind of guy he is. Feel it entirely. Don't protect yourself. Feel it. The reason I'm saying don't protect yourself, because he is actually part of you. He's part of your energy that is in not a constructive form. So if you embrace it this way, if you totally become that, this is part of how you can integrate that energy, that complex, in a new way, so that your masculine comes in support of you, not hurting you. Yeah. So you see, lots of times with clients, they'll try to, they want to destroy the negative energy. They don't want to feel it. They just want to destroy it. Well, you have to allow the transformation. And when I say, that sometimes you can kill these figures, it's like you could have a dream where you're in a battle for your life with a negative figure and you win. And that would be basically the triumph of your true energy over the negative beliefs of your ego. And you would find that you had a much richer and more satisfying life on the heels of that dream and in your future. So, we can't kill any part of us. We can learn to embrace ourselves and allow the transformation to occur. So any negative complexes are transformed in support of our hearts, in support of who we are. It's sort of like a woman with a really loving husband who helps her a lot. And indeed, when we're psychologically clear, we tend to have much better relationships. And the same thing would apply for the guys. Because the guy, I had a client who had a dream about, facing witch figures chasing him. And he, they used to be his nightmare when he was little. And then as he grew, it turned into he faced the witch and chased her. And what I've been encouraging him to do is to stop the chasing back and forth and to kind of encounter this feminine energy and see if it's possible to find within her something that's hiding, which would be her really beneficent female nature in there. A very loving female nature that would be underneath the witchiness. Yeah, which would be a belief in control on the part of the woman. Anyway, I hope this makes sense. Bless your heart.